Hi children, today we are going to learn one concept from fourth lesson, class 8th. Are you ready children? Please look at the board. Force is push or pull. Force is what? Push or pull. Force is a physical quantity which brings changes. Force is a physical quantity which brings changes. Or other definition for force is push or pull. Okay, and examples for force. First example, bicycle. We will pedal the bicycle with our legs. We will apply some push. Here in this case we will push the pedals with our legs, and this is in this way push is used in this bicycle, that is force. Second one is rickshaw. Rickshaw is pulled by a man. He will pull the rickshaw. And another example is national flag hoisting. At the time of 15th August and January 26th, we will hoist the national flag. While hoisting, we will pull the rope. That is pull. We will pull the rope. Another one is, first one is bicycle, push, rickshaw, pull, national flag, pull. While rubbing the board, rubbing or erasing the board. Erasing the board, blackboard or whiteboard. While erasing the board, what we will do? Like this we will erase. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. And erasing board. It comes under both push as well as pull. Both. Push, pull. Erasing board is push as well as pull. And next example, one tree is there. From tree one fruit is falling down. How it is falling down? The earth will attract. Down. This attraction force on this fruit is pulled by earth. Here it is one force pull. Because of that pull, this mango or whatever fruit it may be, it will comes down from the tree toward the surface of earth. This is pull. Here erasing blackboard is push or pull. Flag hoisting is pull. And bicycle is push. Rickshaw is pulling. And next one, here it is one magnet. It is having north, south. One iron nail is there. So this magnet will attract this iron nail. This is bar magnet. Bar magnet will attract the iron nail. So this is magnetic material. It is attracting. Magnet is attracting magnetic material, iron nail. This is pull again. Like this, push or pull. Here it is push, rickshaw pull, bicycle push, national flag pull, erasing the blackboard push and pull, and gravitational force and fruit falling from the tree is the pull, and magnet pull And last one is, and while digging a bore well, it will vibrate like this, push as well as pull, this is also bore well. At the time of bore well digging, push and pull we will see. These are all our examples for the push and pull. But children, force is push and pull. It is a physical quantity which brings changes. These are all changes. And now we will learn what are the units. Please write down this: bicycle, rickshaw, national flag, and blackboard or whiteboard, and tree and fruit, and magnet and iron nail, and borewell. And next units we will learn. Are you observing what I am doing? Push, pull, push, pull. Both I am doing. And now you do, children. Look here. Force units. SI units for force. Newton. Example: 5 newtons, 10 newtons, 25 newtons. Like this, SI unit for force is newtons, and this force is denoted by letter F. Force is represented by letter F. SI units for force are newtons, 5 newtons, 10 newtons, 25 newtons. Like this, force is a vector quantity. Vector means which is having magnitude and direction. The quantity which is having both magnitude and direction are called vector quantity. So force is also vector quantity. Force is having both the magnitude and direction. Force is measured in newtons. Its SI unit is Newton. Because of force only changes will come. This force is because of one energy. This concept we will learn later, and types of force also we will learn later. And children, and please subscribe my channel Air Academy GDK for more videos.